What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the GIM 10W wireless charging RGB keyboard mousepad. Now, this video is featured on the Modern Gamer playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. In a previous video, we unboxed and reviewed the HP 21.5-inch Rotatable Chromebase, which I'll be using with this product. In an upcoming video, we'll also be unboxing and reviewing the Havit mechanical keyboard and mouse kit. That being said, all these items should pair together nicely for productivity and cloud gaming. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. Now, you can find this item and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. Opening the box reveals the pad rolled up, which demonstrates its ease of storage. Underneath this, we have product information, and to the left, underneath the keyboard, we have a 1.8 meter black weave micro USB cable. This cable looks nice and is going to be plenty long, coming in at about 5 feet 10 inches, which is a plus for routing. This also means the RGB pad features a micro USB port as well, which is dated by today's standards, but should do the job just fine. Now, as you can see, there's no power adapter included in the kit, so if you don't have one laying around, you'll have to purchase one as well. So let's talk more about this RGB pad, which unrolls easily and features good weight. The underside features non-slip silicone, which works really well in preventing the mat from sliding around. Also of note, underneath the wireless charging area are silicone risers, which keep this area free from scratches. The top of the mat, which is the area for the keyboard and mouse and also serves as an area to rest our palms, features a black fabric surface. Now, this fabric is waterproof and high density and compresses slightly and feels good to the touch. That being said, a pad like this is also useful for keeping the underside of your devices protected. However, one con I've noticed here with the material either underneath or on top is that it does attract hair. So if you have a dog like me, you may need to occasionally use a lint roller. And on the left edge, we have the 10-watt wireless charging pad area, which is covered by a plastic film. I found this addition to this pad interesting, although there are several other competing models as well. The charging pad area is made of a hard plastic and features a GIM gaming logo, wireless charging coil location indicator with silicone risers, and wireless charging indicator light. The wireless charger indicator also serves as the mode switch for controlling all the lighting effects of the pad itself. Speaking of lighting effects, we have the optical gray milky light bar, which wraps around the whole pad. The stitching between the pad and this light bar looks nice as well. So let's talk performance. The micro USB cable plugs into the back of the pad and the other end into a power adapter. Now, my pad turned on automatically. Now, if your unit doesn't turn on automatically, simply tap on the charge light indicator and that should turn it on. Again, this pad features 10 LED light effects. These are cycled through by tapping on the charge indicator also. When it comes to the charge indicator light, I really like that it's simple and multifunctional instead of having separate buttons for controlling multiple features. Pressing and holding on the charge indicator light for 3 seconds also turns off all the lighting effects, except the charge indicator itself. A side note, the charging pad still works with all the lighting effects turned off. Also, a plus with this pad is that it features a memory function when powered off, which means you could pair this pad with a smart plug to turn it on or off by voice and have it come on with the same light effects you had before you turned it off. And lastly, we have the 10-watt wireless charging pad, which is a nice place to drop your device when working at your computer. And when your device is charging, you can see that that charge indicator is going to be red. Now, 10-watt wireless charging isn't going to give you fast charging, but it's been charging my Z Fold 3 at an acceptable speed consistently up to 100%. As with other wireless charging pads, there is a slight learning curve to learning where to place your device, but once practiced, proper placement becomes easier. Once your device is fully charged, the wireless charging indicator changes from red to green, which is also insightful. And as you can imagine, this pad is large enough to hold a full-size keyboard with mouse while allowing enough space for mouse movement as well. So let's wrap things up. Now I've been using this pad for a few weeks now and it's been working well so far. The RGB lighting effects create a nice atmosphere and the wireless charging is a welcome addition. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or I would like to buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support us is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to show your support is just by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Now liking and subscribing are important because those are your ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out. Yeah.